Ever noticed how stress before an exam can literally give you a stomachache? Or how a positive mindset can speed up recovery from illness? Welcome back to the Learning Studio. In today's psychology series, we're diving into health psychology, the fascinating science of how the mind and body are deeply connected. Mind-body connection. Health psychology shows us that our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors don't just live in our head, they shape our physical health. For example, chronic stress raises cortisol levels, which weakens the immune system and increases risk of illness. On the flip side, relaxation techniques like mindfulness and deep breathing can actually lower blood pressure and improve heart health. Lifestyle and behavior. It's not just about genes or medicine. Our lifestyle plays a massive role in wellness. Psychologists study how habits like sleep, exercise, diet, and even social connections affect long-term health. Think about it. Choosing between binge-watching another episode at 2 a.m. versus getting 8 hours of sleep, that one decision influences memory, mood, and even your immune system the next day. Case study, the power of belief. One striking finding is the placebo effect. When patients believe they're getting treatment, they sometimes get better even if the pill was just sugar. That doesn't mean medicine doesn't matter. It means the mindset of believing in recovery can activate real healing processes in the body. Why it matters. Health psychology helps us understand that wellness isn't just about doctors and medicine. It's about daily choices, stress management, and the beliefs we hold about our own health. By paying attention to the mind-body connection, we can prevent illness, recover faster, and live better. So here's the takeaway. Your body listens to your mind more than you think. Taking care of your mental health is also taking care of your physical health. And in our next episode, we'll step into a fascinating area, future of psychology, AI, neuroscience, and the psychology of the digital age. Check the playlist link in the description. Subscribe if you haven't already. And remember, your mind and body aren't two separate systems. They're teammates.